Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll go through how you can create a new brush style and use it to edit. It's an amazing photo manipulation tutorial. If you want to find out, keep on watching. First of all, I'll create a square document. So go to File, New, and here I'm keeping the pixels for the width and height at 1400 and the resolution at 150. Then click OK. Now select the brush tool and choose a brush style. It doesn't have to be the same as mine, but something similar. Then select the toggle the brush panel button where we will be able to customize our own brush. Select the brush tip shape and change the spacing to 20%. Then click on to shape dynamics and ensure it is ticked. Then change the size to 100% and angle zeta to 100%. Once done, draw a shape with the brush. Bear in mind, the brush style does not have to be identical to what I have created. Feel free to explore. With my brush, I am going to draw an S shape like so. Then click on Edit, define brush preset and give your brush a name. Then click OK. Moving on, I'll open an image by going to File, Open and browse to select an image as usual. As you can see, the background layer is locked. To unlock, double click on the layer and click OK. Then I need to create a new layer. To do this, click on Create a New Layer icon, which creates layer 1. I now need to fill the layer in white. For this, go to Edit, Fill, then change the contents used to white and click OK. Then I'm going to drag layer 1 so that it is below the layer 0. Then select layer 0 and click on the Add a Layer Mask icon at the bottom. Now I need to fill the mask layer black. To do this, go to Edit, Fill, then change the contents used to black and click OK. Moving on, we are now going to use the brush we have created. So select the brush tool if it isn't already, and I'm going to change the spacing to 30%. Feel free to experiment when it comes to customizing your brush. I am now going to add a few styles to my brush. Firstly, selecting shape dynamics and change the roundness jitter to 100%. Then add scattering and changing the scatter percentage to 100% as well. I am also going to select transfer and change the opacity and flow jitter to 10%, and we are now done here. I can now use the brush. Firstly, to adjust the size of the brush, you can press the square bracket key on the keyboard. Okay, the brush size is too big for my liking, so I'm going to undo the edit by pressing Ctrl and Z. Then make the brush a little smaller using the left square bracket key. Then I can use my brush to paint on the canvas, which is going to reveal the image underneath. I'm going to concentrate the painting on the face so it is more visible and looks nicer. So once I am happy with how the brush effect is looking, click on the adjustment layer and select solid color and choose a dark solid color and click OK. Then change the layer blend mode from normal to exclusion and experiment with the opacity percentage. which applies a blue hue to the image. So that is all for the tutorial, and we can now save our document. As always, to do this, go to File, Save As, select JPEG format and save. I hope you have enjoyed today's tutorial and have learned something new today. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for watching. See you again soon.